Hello friends, welcome to Technical and Programming AK. In this video, I will show mobile network analyzer project in C#.NET. So first open this documentation. This is the documentation file. Hardware, software specialization, organization profile, system diagram, system study, and system testing is here. Abstract, bibliography, existing system. This all documentation is here. Okay, so this source code and documentation you can download it easily. Link is given in description below. So first of all, open this project file in Visual Studio 2015. So this project file is open in Visual Studio. So this first form is the form 1. Open this form 1. This is the form 1 design. And the next form is the form main. This is the main form of our project. In main form, this is the menu strip. In menu strip, there are two options here. In the first option is the file. In the file option, start monitor, stop monitoring, clear packet list, and exit option is here. And in the second option, packet viewer, network analyzer, and setting option is here. This is the main option of our project, and this is the data grid view. This is the data grid view. In data grid view, time, protocol, source, destination, and length is here. And the next is the form network analyzer. In the form network analyzer view option, in the view option, data sent and data received. The next is the packet viewer. This is the packet viewer data grid view. In the data grid view, all information displayed in packet viewer. Next is the form setting. In the setting form, protocol, mobile number, DNI from IP, DNI to IP, DNI from data, DNI to data, and OK and cancel button is here. And here the some numbers. And the next and last one form is the login form. In the login form, username and password, and OK and cancel button is here. This is our project overview. This is our network analyzer project. So I hope you like this project and like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Technical and Programming AK, and then click on bell icon for notification of new videos. So thanks for watching this video. Bye friends, thank you so much.